Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to loop a Canva presentation. So this is my presentation right here, and what you first need to actually do is come here at the top right and click on present, and then click on present full screen. Okay, click on this option, and then you actually click on present. I'll explain why in just a second. So now that we are in full screen and presentation mode, what I want you to do is come here at the bottom right. So hover over here, click on more, and then you just need to click on start autoplay. I'll show you why. So just toggle this one. So it's now on autoplay. I'll go to slide, let's say 13. So I'll move to slide 14 and look at this. It will go back and loop. It'll go back to slide 1 and the whole thing will keep looping itself. So that is how you do it. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.